Do you want to learn how to add this D-ring and pinch the side of your beaded bag to give your bag a good shape? You need to watch this video from beginning to the end. Hello beautiful students and welcome to class 11 of our beginner in beaded bag course. On today's class guys, we're learning how to pinch the sides of our bag and how to add the D-rings to the sides of your beaded bag. So guys, let's get straight into this video. Like I told you on our previous video, I said you need to have an odd number at the side of your bag. It should be 5 or 3 or 7, not even number that is 2, 4. Okay, so guys, now how to pinch the side of this your beaded bag, guys. You first take a very short line. You don't need a very long line for this. You need short line. So guys, your line is going into these 3 beads. Okay, into these 3 beads. So guys, I have my line inside the 3 beads. Now guys, you have to press, just follow what I'm doing. Okay, you need to fold this like this. Okay, can you see? When you fold guys, you notice that you have 3 up here. It should be 3 up here. Okay, and we're going to be beading here to make the ring of 4, so you have to make sure you have 3 up when you're folding. Okay, this is just how you're going to do that. Make sure your line is meeting together. Okay, you pull it to meet together. Now you're taking 1 bead into the left line and you pick your D-rings and you just put it there like this. Okay guys, hope you're understanding. And you have to cross this bead. So guys, can you see the D-ring will be in the middle? So now this your right line is going into this bead down here. So you do that guys. You need to look for a pin. So when your line is stuck in between 2 beads, you just have to get a pin. You remove it. Okay, you remove it like this, and your left line is going into the next bead down, like this. So guys, we are taking, you have this, your line needs to be inside the D-rings. Okay, you put it inside and you take 1 bead and you put it inside that left line. Then you cross with the right bead. All this line should be inside the D-rings. Okay, inside like this. So can you see? This is what you will have guys. So same right bead going into the next bead down here. Here, and the left bead is going into the left bead down, the left line to the left bead. Okay, so we're taking another bead, we're inserting it into the left line and crossing with the right bead. Guys, can you see that because this one is small, I can't put it inside, so you can just leave it down of this. But if you have a bigger D-ring, you can still put this in between the D-rings. Okay, so guys, it's not something hard. This is just how you achieve this pinch beaded bag at the side. Okay, so let me just, because I'm stopping here guys, let me just show you how to, if you want to tie, to be my last bead. I'm not going to do pinching another, adding another bit here, because this is where my last bit. Let me show you how you will hide your fishing line into the other bit. So just follow this method. You take this out, so just leave your bead in the left line. So you can just put, can you see how I'm doing it? This your left line, insert it into this bead and you pull out with this pin. So guys, can you see that my line now is in this bead here, in this bead? So I'm going to be hiding this my fish line into the other bit. So you can just put this line here, you can put this other line here. And now you can loop your work to make your work strong and firm. This line, this bead, the line that is inside this bead needs to be down, while this one needs to be up. So you just make it like this, and this bead, this line that is inside this bead is going back into this bead here. Okay, I hope you're getting what I am saying. So let's put it here. Your okay. So can you see how you're pushing? This is the loop here. Can you see that? This is the loop. So you're pushing it inside the bead here. So now you need to go back and learn how to hide this line into all the bead. You're going zigzag like this, okay? And this one is going zigzag also. So you need to learn how to do that from my class. I don't know, but I've forgotten the class I taught. I think it is class 2 or class 3. So check out to hide your fish line in that class. So guys, this same work that you did here, you need to do it at this other side. Okay, you need to do the same at the other side. So here I already have my fishing line inside the bead, my remaining fishing line. I still have it here. So you just do the same. You have to press your work like this. Okay, so my students, this is just how you pinch and attach your D-ring to the sides of your beaded bag. Can you see pinching the side of your beaded bag gives you this unique like slant shape. It makes your bag very unique when you pinch the side of this bag. So guys, you can decide to go out with your bag like this, or you can add a cover. What this side is used for is to attach your chain handle. Attach your chain handle, and you can go out like this with your bag, or you can decide to add a cover. Can you see how this is looking? Looking so beautiful. Can you see? And I think this side, this pouch is for 12 Pro, and it fits into the bag. And you can add other things. Can you see it still has space for your keys, your card, your lip gloss, anything. So this is just how you pinch the side of your bag. So guys, this is all for this class. On our next class, guys, we're going to be learning how to attach our magnetic lock. Okay guys, see you on that video. See you on the next video. Don't forget to subscribe if you've not. Don't forget to comment if you have any questions. Don't forget to like, and don't forget to share this video. Thank you guys, and see you on our next class. Bye.